What is point of interest? Point of interest is a price level or a zone in the market where traders are hoping to open a trading position. A point of interest could be a level of demand and supply, it could be a level of support and resistance, it could be Fibonacci retracement, order block, order flow, indicator signal. There are a lot of points of interest in the market, but for the purpose of this tutorial we are going to focus on support and resistance, demand and supply, and probably Fibonacci retracement. So by point of interest, what we mean is that there are zones, there are price levels that traders are waiting and looking up to, because they believe that once price reach that level, once price reach that zone, their probability of price going maybe in the upward direction or in the downward direction, depending on where the point of interest is. So once price reaches point of interest, traders are very much interested in the market. They are looking up to see if they will see any confirmation for them to enter and place a trade. So a trader may not be interested in the market, but once price reaches their point of interest, they will start showing interest in the market. They will start looking out for entries for them to place their trade. So the first point of interest we'll discuss in this tutorial is support and resistance. So a support level is a price level that has the ability or the tendency to push price up. So whenever price comes to a support level, we will see market forces, especially buying pressure, that tends towards push the price up. In the same way, resistance or resistance level is a price level that has the capacity or the ability to push price down. So whenever price approaches a resistance level, you will see forces, you will see a selling pressure, that will try to do what, push the price down. So support level is always below the current price, while a resistance level is always above the current price of the market. Now another thing you need to know is that whenever price goes above a resistance level, that resistance level automatically becomes a support level, and whenever price goes below a support level, that support level automatically becomes a resistance level. Okay, a price level can serve as a resistance and at the same time also serve as a support. It all depends on where price is approaching from. To draw levels of support and resistance, you need to open TradingView or any charting app. So when you open TradingView, you go to the toolbar and select horizontal line tool. So when you select horizontal line tool, you come over to the chart and then you click at the low or at the high or wherever you want to place this horizontal line. So at the end of the day, the horizontal line will serve as your support and resistance. The best level to put your support and resistance is always at the low and at the high of your trend or your chart. The next point of interest we'll talk about is demand and supply. So demand and supply is similar to support and resistance. The only difference here is that demand and supply is a zone, is not a single price level. is a zone, is a rectangular zone where price can react. Okay, so the demand zone here is a zone that has what, a high buying pressure that can tend to push price up, and the supply zone is a zone that has a high selling pressure that tends to do what, push price down. As we continue with this tutorial, you will see how to draw a demand zone and a supply zone. To draw a demand zone, you need to go to TradingView or any charting app or software. So from TradingView, you can open the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. So when you select the rectangle tool, you click and drag the rectangle tool over the recent lows and the recent highs on the chart. So the demand and supply zones are best drawn at the recent lows and highs on a chart. Same thing goes with support and resistance. It's always good you draw it at the recent lows and highs on the chart, because price usually reacts at those levels. Okay guys, that takes us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment box below, or you can send it via our social media platforms. I will always do my best to answer your questions. And then if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do your best to hit that subscription button, so, and then turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified each time I drop valuable content on this channel. All right, see you later.